late at night. You lie in bed. The room is quiet, but your mind won't stop. It runs through tomorrow, every bad thing that could happen. A casual comment, a cold look, a message that never got a reply. They loop, again, again, again. You did almost nothing today, but you feel drained. Not your body, your mind. Because there's another kind of tired. The exhaustion of fighting battles no one can see, inside your own head. Many people think anxiety comes from life, work, money, the future. But often, anxiety comes from something quieter, the meaning we add to things. The mind has a strange habit. It turns ordinary moments into personal ones. Maybe they secretly dislike me. Maybe something is about to go wrong. Maybe I'm losing control. And before anything has even happened, your body prepares for war. More than 2,000 years ago, a Chinese philosopher named Zhuangzi told a strange story. Imagine this. Early morning, a river covered in fog. You are alone in a small wooden boat. Then suddenly, another boat drifts toward you and crashes into yours. If someone were sitting in that boat, anger would rise immediately. Why weren't they watching? How could they be so careless? But then you look closer. The boat is empty. No one is inside. And strangely, the anger vanishes, like it was never there. You quietly push the empty boat away and continue down the river. What was the story really about? Not the boat, the human mind. Because suffering often begins the moment we believe something is happening to us. A look becomes rejection, silence becomes judgment, distance becomes proof. Sometimes reality just unfolds on its own, but the mind quietly turns it into a story about ourselves. What really hurts you is never the boat. It's the quiet assumption that someone is on it and that they meant it. Maybe that's why so many people feel emotionally exhausted now. Too much becomes personal. A passing comment, a delayed reply, a small shift in tone. The mind treats each one like evidence, and slowly, life starts to feel hostile. Zhuangzi was not teaching people to become cold. He was pointing at something simple. Not everything needs to enter the center of your inner world. Some things just happen. Not every silence carries rejection. Not every expression hides cruelty. Not every uncertain future is a disaster waiting to arrive. Most people are not fighting reality itself. They are fighting the stories they tell themselves again and again, like rowing through fog while preparing for enemies that were never there. The next time you catch yourself replaying the same images, you don't have to chase them away. You don't have to say, "Stop thinking." Maybe just try one small thing. Or don't. Just notice that you can. Gently touch something next to you. A glass of water, a book, your own fingers. This small gesture is you saying quietly, "I am here. I am not on that empty boat." The thoughts are still there, but you have already come back. Maybe peace is not the absence of collision. Maybe peace begins when you stop seeing every collision as a personal attack. You don't have to be strong. You only need to see the empty boats for what they are. And then, just keep rowing. Or don't. The river doesn't mind.